This could be your new home. Over 6,000 square feet out here in beautiful Woodland Hill Estates. It's super blustery out here. I don't know what's going on with my hair up there. So we're actually gonna finish the rest of our review on the inside of this massive home. Okay, picking up where we left off, coming into this massive, beautiful new home, by the way, new construction. This is a let me get this right. It's a 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom. I said that right. 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom home. It's literally minutes to Spokane, minutes to Coeur d'Alene from here. You can just jump on I-90 and go either direction. The views out here are amazing. I said it's over 6,000 square feet. Downstairs is finished as well, a large portion of it. And then there's an additional over 900 square feet that's not completely finished that you can finish out whichever way you want. And maybe turn it into another rental. Possibilities are endless in this place. But look at all of these massive, look, we got 2 dishwashers. What house has 2 dishwashers? Beautiful, just beautiful. Everywhere you look is beautiful. We're gonna jump into some more views of this amazing home right now.